Hello, in this video I'll be unboxing my SodaStream machine that I ordered from Costco. They had it on sale for $25 off, but it was not in the store, online only. It didn't take too long to get it. Packaging, SodaStream, the decanter, decanter lid, there. One cylinder, packing material, regular SodaStream machine, second cylinder, and second decanter. What a deal. And the machine. With the owner's manual instructions. I purchased a white one. They also come in black. This is my first SodaStream machine. I'll do a little more update on it when I get it hooked up in my kitchen. I'm not going to hook it up right here because it's in my office. Without looking at the box. There you go. There's the mechanized. Exchange only with SodaStream Pink Quick Connect. Insert the cylinder bottom first. Guess I will go ahead and set this up real quick. Okay. Says to put it in bottom first. There we go. Slide right in there. Let's fix it up. Good to go. You've probably seen this demonstrated 1,000 times, but I'll do my own demonstration once I get it downstairs and decide what I want to use for my first drink. Any questions or comments, use the comments below. Let us know how you like the video. Subscribe to our channel if you feel like it. And have a great day. I'm ready to make my first bottle of SodaStream water. First I'm going to fill up my water bottle. The maximum fill line. Next step is to put it in the pipe, the machine. It's locked in there, so it's hanging.
Nice.
There's our bubbly water.
Nice.
Try it out.
What did made it bubbly? You put a carbon in that?
Yeah, there's a carbonation tube
Here,
in
let me
here.
taste.
I'll show you. Delicious. Thanks for watching.